The Sea Monkey Caddy was an idea I had when I first couldn't find my aqua leash and feeding spoon because they fell behind the cabinet where my tank was. The Sea Monkey Caddy not only conveniently stores your Sea Monkey accessories, but it also adds more color to your tank. My main design considerations were that it must be able to hold the aqua leash, feeding spoon, and squeegee while not interfering with being able to place or remove the lid. For the Ocean Zoo, I designed the caddy to rest on the rim of the tank from the outside. To store the utensils, I wanted them to be able to hang naturally in a vertical position, which would require the center of gravity to be below the point at which they rest in the caddy. Because of the simple shapes of the feeding spoon and squeegee, I chose to just have a hole that they could slide in and out of. The aqua leash required the caddy to be able to hold it in between the bulb of the aqua leash and the pump portion. Therefore, I designed the caddy so that it could snap into and out of the caddy from the side. Once I had a sketch to work from, I modeled the caddy in a 3D modeling software and began to print it out while working on the design for the next tank. Because of the similar shapes of the tanks, the Ocean Volcano caddy did not require many changes compared to the Ocean Zoo caddy. For the domed-shaped tanks, like the Sea Monkey on Mars, I just needed to adjust the design so that the caddy could rest on top of the dome. Once the caddy is done printing, it is important to check for and remove any sharp edges that may scratch your tank when placing or removing the caddy.